This is a demonstration of the AppcSync Titanium mobile application running on iPhone and Android that leverages Syncplicity APIs to download and upload files from my Syncplicity account. So on the right-hand side, I've got my iPhone reflected on my screen, and on the left-hand side, I'm logged into my Syncplicity account. And it's worth noting for this demo, it's expecting to find the files that it renders inside the application in the demo folder, and it will also upload photos from the application to the demo folder. Now the use case here is a very simple cross-device mobile application leveraging Syncplicity APIs that will display the customer's logo and some announcement that you can get from the customer's website. And then when you take photos in the application, they will be uploaded to the Syncplicity account. So let's take a look. So I'm launching the application on my iPhone. You can see I've logged in before and I've got the Remember Me set, but this is a simple login screen. And I'm authenticating against API Builder, where I've got the Syncplicity app token stored there. But I'll enter my credentials for that identity system, and I am now logged in, and I'm pulling the logo from the demo folder. It's Celgene on the top here, and then on the bottom I've got this announcement. But it's very easy to change that. So if I just upload another set of assets, so if I go into, for example, an Expo folder, grab the announcement from there, then grab the logo from that folder, and now I can simply click the refresh button in the application, and now my app is rebranded. So it's really that simple. Now let me show you the camera interface. So I can take a photo here. That photo looks fine. Let me click Use Photo. And now this photo will be uploaded to my Syncplicity account. Now this will take a minute or so, depending on the size of the file, and on an iPhone and Android these days, these are very large photos. Okay, so I got a notification that the photo was uploaded properly, and if I come over here to my Syncplicity account and click refresh, I can see the photo was just uploaded, and there it is. So that's great. And of course I could take more photos, etc. Also in the application, the other tab is just an info tab, which just gives you a little bit of information about this demonstration, so it's kind of a nice to have. But that's on the iPhone, but of course Appcelerator Titanium is a cross-device application platform. So what I'll do is I'll stop sharing here. Let me turn off mirroring, and let me bring up my Android device. So this is a physical Android device that's tethered to my computer, just like the iPhone was. And what I'll do is I will launch the application here on my Android, and same login account, and there it is. So I've got here the Axway logo and then the announcement, and then again, just to remind you how this works, if I will just come over to another folder, come over to the Celgene folder, upload the announcement, upload the logo. Then on my Android device, I can just click refresh, or of course I can just log back in again, and then you see the announcement as well as the logo have been replaced. And then I can click on the upload photo button. Oh, hello. I'll take that photo. The photo is uploaded. And of course, also on this app, I've got the info as well as the home. I'll leave it on info. And then if I come over here to Syncplicity and click refresh, I can see my charming mug was uploaded here. So this is an example of the AppcSync Titanium cross-device mobile application that leverages Syncplicity through the Syncplicity APIs. I'm using the authentication API to get a bearer token, which will allow me to use all the other APIs, like to get the sync points, to get the contents of a particular folder. In this case, it's the demo folder. I have to share the logo.png, so I'm using the share API. and I have to download the contents of announcement.txt, so I'm using the file API as well as the upload API, so I can upload a photo to my Syncplicity account. Hope you enjoyed this demo.